Welcome to the second episode of our series, where we dive deep into the disassembly of the Subaru EJ20 power plant. If you're not familiar with Subaru engines, the EJ20 is a 2.0-liter horizontally opposed, boxer, 4-cylinder gasoline engine with a 92.0mm bore and a 75.0mm stroke, giving it a capacity of 1,994 cc and a compression ratio of 10.1:1. This engine features two separate heads, one for cylinders 1 and 3 and another for 2 and 4, each held in place by 14mm 12-point head bolts. Proper disassembly is crucial to prevent any warping of the head or block, and that's why we follow a specific sequence while loosening up the bolts. 1. Top right. 2. Bottom left. 3. Bottom right. 4. Top left. 5. Bottom middle. 6. Top middle. It's important to note that we've drained both the oil and cooling systems 2 weeks ago, leaving engine almost dry. Over time, some corrosion has developed in the cooling passage, which is not uncommon for a 20-year-old engine. To make our job easier, we've generously applied WD-40 to loosen any stubborn bolts. By the end of this disassembly, we'll assess the condition of this engine.
So, finally we have successfully separated both of the heads from the block itself. It doesn't look that much bad, but as we can see there is a visible damage. Few valves have piston marks on it, but it's not that much concerning and can be fixed easily in future. Camshaft on one head is seized and is barely rotating. It could possibly be a stuck valve or bearing failure. We don't know yet, and we need to disassemble both of the heads and look for a potential failure point.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.